Every gift tells a story, but some stories are deeper than others, stories not written in words or colors, but in the very texture of nature itself. When someone receives a wooden gift, they aren't just holding an object, they are holding a moment, a memory, and a piece of the natural world that has been shaped with love. Wood carries emotion in a way no other material can. It has a pulse, the quiet rhythm of life once lived in sunlight, wind, and rain. Each grain is a fingerprint of time. Each knot is a reminder that beauty isn't perfection, but personality. When that wood is transformed by human hands into a meaningful shape, a jewelry box, a sculpture, a frame, a candle holder, it becomes more than craft, it becomes connection. There's something deeply human about giving or receiving wood. It reminds us of our roots, of warmth, of home, of family. It's as if wood holds the language of care, one that transcends technology and trends. In a world filled with screens, plastic, and mass-produced products, a handmade wooden gift whispers softly, "This was made for you." It's the feel of smooth oak under your fingertips, the scent of polished pine, the glow of varnished walnut catching morning light. These small sensations connect us emotionally to something real, something lasting. And that's what makes wooden gifts timeless. When we gift wood, we are not only sharing a physical item, we are sharing time, the time it took for that tree to grow, and the time it took for the artist to shape it. A handmade wooden gift carries both nature's patience and human devotion. It's a bond between the giver, the maker, and the receiver, three souls connected by a single object carved from earth. Think about it, a wooden photo frame doesn't just hold pictures, it holds memories. A carved figurine doesn't just decorate a shelf, it represents affection. A small wooden heart keychain isn't just a token, it's a promise carried in one. Pocket. These gifts live with us, age with us, and grow more beautiful over time, just like relationships. That's the emotional magic of wood. It doesn't fade away, it matures. The colors deepen, the textures soften, and the story continues. And when a wooden object is passed down, from parent to child, from friend to friend, it becomes more than a gift. It becomes heritage. There's another layer to it too. When you buy or craft a wooden gift, you're part of a chain of care. You're supporting artisans who pour heart and soul into every cut and curve. You're helping keep traditional craftsmanship alive in a digital world. You're giving value not just to the product, but to the hands that made it. This is why so many people choose wooden gifts for their most personal occasions, anniversaries, weddings, milestones, or farewells. Because wood has meaning. It symbolizes growth, endurance, and warmth, the very things we want our relationships to reflect. In Japanese tradition, wood represents harmony with nature. In African cultures, carved wooden figures often symbolize unity and blessing. In Scandinavian design, wooden gifts represent simplicity and sincerity. Across the world, across centuries, wood has always meant love, quietly, naturally, and beautifully. So when you create or give a wooden gift, you're not just offering an object, offering emotions sculpted into form. You're saying, I see you, I value you, I wanted to give you something alive. And that's why wooden gifts are different. They touch both heart and hand. They remind us that beauty can grow from patience and that emotion can live within texture. So the next time you hold a piece of wood, remember, it was once alive, and through your art or your giving, it lives again in someone else's heart. That is the true emotional value of a wooden gift, a bridge between nature, maker, and memory. And that brings us to the end of this journey through the heart of handmade wooden gifts, a world where nature meets emotion and creativity becomes connection. Every carved box, every polished sculpture, every small piece of wood turned into art carries a story, a heartbeat, and a little bit of the person who made it. Wooden gifts remind us that not everything has to come from a factory. Sometimes the most meaningful things come from patience, from care, from hands that still believe in beauty. If this video inspired you to see wood not just as a material, but as a messenger of love and creativity, then take that spark and make something of your own. Maybe it's a small decoration, a frame, or even a simple gift for someone special. Because every handmade wooden piece begins with one idea, one feeling, and one touch of the heart. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories about the art of woodworking, handmade designs, and creative ideas you can bring to life. Your support helps keep this craft alive, one video, one creation, one piece of wood at a time. Thank you for watching, and remember, wood may be silent, but it speaks the language of the heart.